Hello everyone. Today what we're going to take a look at is 2010 Dodge Ram 2500. It is an SLT. It's going to be a quick walk around, tell you a little bit more information about the truck. The vehicle is painted in light gray stone pearl coat and has a dark slate with medium gray stone cloth. The 40-20-40 split bench. The vehicle is a rear-wheel drive, powered by the 6.7 liter Cummins 6-liter turbo diesel. Has a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. I'm going to take a look at the interior. Alrighty, so inside we have power mirrors, power windows, and power door locks. The driver's seat is an 8-way power adjustable with adjustable lumbar. Alrighty, this does just about conclude our quick walk around this 2010 Dodge Ram 2500. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle in person, please contact our dealership. One of our friendly sales staff will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have.